Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X19S, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, you can simply hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So we have things like behaviors for sounds, vibrations, and notifications. We can choose who can call us and message us. Then we have the duration, meaning whenever you press the toggle, you have a couple options. You have until turn off for a specific amount of hours, or you can select to ask you every time when you tap on it. And lastly, we have the schedule mode, so it will turn on automatically or turn on and off automatically. So once you set it all up the way you want it, you can simply leave this, and to turn it on, click on the toggle and it's now on. If you're using a schedule and you have set up the schedule, there is an option to turn on that as well. So I'll quickly show you. So as you can see, we have a couple ones here, so we can just go into it and then simply toggle it on. And whenever the time approaches that it needs to turn on, it will do so without you needing to do any extra steps. Now additionally, once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode and you toggled it on manually, you can turn it off as well by simply tapping on the toggle once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.